Hey there, crypto enthusiasts and market observers. Welcome back to Key to Crypto, or KTC. Brace yourselves for a roller coaster ride through the latest insights from the maestro of crypto predictions, Bob Loukas. Imagine this. You could be swimming in riches within just 2 years, possibly paving the way for an early retirement. Now, for those of you who remember Bob Loukas's wizardry back in 2018, where he accurately foresaw Bitcoin's meteoric rise from $4K to a staggering $69K by 2021, get ready for another mind-blowing prediction. Loukas, the seasoned trader with over 25 years of experience and a knack for decoding market cycles, unveils his take on the current state of the Bitcoin market. If you missed his original call to buy Bitcoin at a mere $37,000, worry not, you're in for a treat today. But first, who is Bob Loukas? Bob Loukas isn't your average Joe. He's the wizard behind Bitcoin Live Markets, the go-to hub for all things market analysis and trading signals for Bitcoin enthusiasts. Hailing from the hustle and bustle of New York City, he immersed himself in the world of finance at Baruch College. After a stint as a financial analyst, he dove headfirst into the world of crypto. Back in 2013, Loukas decided to test the waters of Bitcoin trading. Spoiler alert, he didn't just test them, he conquered them. Swiftly gaining recognition for his uncanny ability to spot and profit from market trends, he emerged as a force to be reckoned with. Fast forward to 2017, and Bob Loukas decided to share his insights with the world by birthing Bitcoin Live Markets. This platform has become the holy grail for traders and investors, guiding them through the intricacies of the Bitcoin market and helping wallets grow plumper. Even when the market's doing its best roller coaster impression, Loukas stays on beat, consistently turning profits. His prowess extends beyond trading. He's a sought-after analyst, the oracle whose words resonate globally. Media outlets hang on his every word, and traders across the planet eagerly lap up his insights. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: Bob Loukas's net worth. Sure, it's shrouded in mystery, but let's just say it's somewhere in the balling with Bitcoin's ballpark, estimated in the millions. His trading ventures and Bitcoin Live Markets have contributed significantly to this impressive financial record. So, how did Bob Loukas ascend to Bitcoin greatness? Simple. A mix of technical analysis finesse and an intimate understanding of the Bitcoin market. Loukas isn't afraid to play the long game, patiently holding on to positions amid market storms and reaping substantial rewards in the end. In a nutshell, Bob Loukas isn't just a trader, he's a Bitcoin visionary. In his signature calm and confident style, Bob dives into the intricacies of the 4-year Bitcoin cycle, drawing on his extensive background in cycle analysis across various asset classes, including gold, silver, crude oil, the US dollar, and, more recently, Bitcoin. He explains why Bitcoin is a perfect canvas for cycle scrutiny. Picture this: a stealth move as Bitcoin rallies back up, chopping sideways for half the year, then breaking out to build a robust foundation around the $20,000 mark. Loukas guides us through the phases, from the cleansing period of the bear market to the accumulation phase for savvy investors and institutions. Brace yourself for a journey that mirrors past cycles, leading to a potential acceleration and a revisit to the $20,000 level. Now, fasten your seatbelts for the big reveal of his latest Bitcoin prediction for 2024 and 2025. Loukas paints a vivid picture of a cycle mirroring previous ones, particularly the 2015 to 17 and 2018 to 21 cycles. A tantalizing prospect emerges: Bitcoin surging to an astronomical $200,000 to $900,000 if history repeats itself. But hold on a second. What about the widely discussed theory of diminishing returns? Loukas, never one to shy away from challenging conventional wisdom, presents a counter theory. While many are fixated on diminishing returns, Loukas introduces an alternative narrative. According to him, Bitcoin could defy expectations, topping out at $100K, $120K, or even $150K. The plot twist? Bitcoin's price might dip initially, causing panic selling. Yet, just when you thought the show was over, Bitcoin resurfaces, setting new all-time highs and leaving those who sold in haste scrambling to buy back in, fueled by FOMO. Intrigued? You should be. Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share this video. Hold on tight as we dive into the daring territory of the anti-diminishing returns thesis, an idea that could flip the script for Bitcoin maximalists and visionary thinkers like American hodl Brad Mills. Picture this, a conversation between crypto heavyweights, discussing the real possibility of Bitcoin breaking free from the conventional norms. Ever wondered what might happen if influencers like Brad Mills decide to cash in their gains at $150K or $200K? Brace yourselves for the twist. A potential dip in Bitcoin's value, triggering panic in the market, only to witness a roaring comeback that catches everyone off guard. Could Bitcoin legitimately make a run for $1 million? This bold prediction challenges the prevailing belief in diminishing returns and opens the door to a whole new era for Bitcoin in 2025 and 2026. But why would this cycle be any different? Here's where the BlackRock Spot Bitcoin ETF enters the stage. Bob Lucas sheds light on the potential impact of this game-changing ETF, suggesting that its approval could unleash a tidal wave of institutional and high-net-worth buying pressure, the likes of which the crypto world has never seen. The mere anticipation of this ETF has already stirred up significant market activity. Now, some skeptics might wonder if an ETF approval could turn into a sell the news event. Bob Lucas dismisses this notion with conviction, backed by a thorough analysis of the current 4-year cycle. Consulting the monthly chart, he paints a picture-perfect scenario, emphasizing the advantageous phase we're currently in. With the tailwind strongly behind Bitcoin, positive news like an ETF approval is poised to have a different impact this time around. What makes this moment unique is the widespread acceptance of Bitcoin in mainstream finance. Unlike previous years, Bitcoin is no longer viewed as the mysterious internet money. It has evolved into a legitimate asset class. The general sentiment has shifted from skepticism to acknowledgement of Bitcoin's staying power through multiple boom and bust cycles. The media landscape, including outlets like CNBC, reflects this transformation, with more voices endorsing Bitcoin as a legitimate investment. So, brace yourselves for a potential shift in the crypto world. As the ETF drama unfolds, it might not just be a milestone for Bitcoin, but a catalyst for substantial inflows, setting the stage for an unprecedented surge. Stay tuned as the crypto world hurdles toward uncharted territories, challenging assumptions and embracing new possibilities. The journey continues, and the future of Bitcoin has never looked more exciting. All right, crypto enthusiasts, gather around because the bull market is shouting confirmation from the mountaintops. Now, I get it. The thought of Bitcoin dancing around the $25,000 mark might tickle your nerves, but let's not get bogged down by the exact numbers. Instead, let's talk timeframes. Specifically, the magical 4-year cycle. Imagine it as the window of opportunity for Bitcoin's grand performances. If history is any guide, we're potentially looking at nearly 2 years of a bull market extravaganza. Now, staying disciplined and patient during this crypto roller coaster might feel like a difficult task, especially when Bitcoin decides to do its daily dance of jumping by $5K or $7K. But fear not. The goal here is to ride this cosmic bull wave, strategize for those inevitable 30% dips, and know when to sprinkle in some profit-taking magic. Hold on though, cue the BlackRock Spot ETF approval. This wild card could be the catalyst for a FOMO-induced rally, throwing all our carefully crafted plans out the window. Our guide, Bob Lucas, delves into the tantalizing possibility of an early top, a scenario where Bitcoin decides to breakdance its way to an all-time high before the expected rendezvous in the 4-year cycle midpoint. Picture this. If Bitcoin stages a meteoric rise, achieving new highs well before the midpoint in November 2024, it's like catching lightning in a bottle. Thrilling but unpredictable. This left-translated cycle scenario could play out if Bitcoin goes full throttle, hitting milestones like it's on a crypto caffeine high. But hey, it's too early to toss and turn over this. Let's revisit the topic around January and see if the market stays on script or decides to pen its own narrative. Now, we're not your financial advisors, just passionate narrators of crypto sagas. But here's a nugget of wisdom. Now is the time to dive into the crypto whirlwind. Grab your friends, family, and even that neighbor who thinks Bitcoin is a sci-fi plot. This is the moment. That's it for today, and remember, the future of finance is here with KTC.